Welcome to Reading is Best channel. In this video, I am going to talk about behavioral perspective. The behavioral perspective is a theory of psychology that states human behaviors are learned, not innate. As per famous behaviorist John B. Watson, behaviors should be studied objectively, dealing only with directly observable stimuli and responses. And he further says, while studying such behavior, one should reject mentalistic concepts such as consciousness, thought, and imagery. Moreover, this perspective rejects the free will and says that environment determines all our behavior. This perspective believes in scientific methodology, that is, a controlled experiment, which is especially done in laboratory. According to the behavioral model, a person's behaviors are caused by present events that occur before and after the behaviors have been performed, which lead us to the ABC model of behavior. This is popularly known as cue, routine, and reward. As a whole, this ABC model of behavior says person's behaviors depend on something that occurs before the behavior and also on something that occurs after the behavior. This perspective proposes two main processes by which people learn from their environment, mainly classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning involves learning by association, whereas operant conditioning involves learning from the consequence of behavior. These are the basic ideas and theories of behavioral perspective. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, click the like button. And if you have any kind of suggestion or queries, you can comment down in the comment box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.